What's up? In today's video, I'm gonna share with you how you can make money with Helalink agency. I'm gonna do a full review about it so that you can make a decision whether to get started with it or not. And before we get into how to make money with Helalink, let me share with you my story with another platform just like Helalink, that is Trendcash agency. So the people who own Trendcash agency own Helalink agency. So I usually join this platform in order to make review videos about them and see whether I can make money from them. So with Trendcash, I don't know the month I joined, but I was able to make some money. And with Trendcash, you earn through referral, answering trivia question, YouTube videos, that is watching video ads, and also TikTok video ads. And what you need to know is that this platform don't post ads frequently. For example, when you click on YouTube videos, you will only watch these two videos and that is it. Same case to TikTok videos. You will not have frequent videos to make money from. And for you to withdraw money that you have earned from watching video ads, you need to have refer some people. And the only frequent thing they post is trivia question. So they post like 4 questions, I think, or 4 or 5 questions, and they usually post them on Monday. As you can see, this is only accessible on Monday from 8 a.m. to 11:50 p.m. And this is the dashboard of Trendcash agency. So for me, I'll not be joining Helalink, and the reason is because I was able to withdraw my money with Trendcash agency like on 19th August, but I had to follow up this withdrawal until today when they paid me. This is on 16th September, almost a month. So the trick with this platform is to join this platform in the first month of it being launched, because from the second to third month going forward, this platform crash or it becomes very hard for you to get paid. You need to follow up for your payment. And if you are not good in referrals, then you won't make money. Because for you to withdraw money, you need a minimum of 500 Kenya shillings in your account balance, not in profit. And this will be the same as in Helalink. For you to join Helalink, you need to pay 550 Kenya shillings, and the amount you will be withdrawing will be shown in the account balance. So for me, I'll not withdraw 230 because it doesn't meet the threshold of 500 Kenya shillings. So I was able to withdraw my money on August, but got a payment today. So, and the reason is because I joined this platform, I think, after 2 months of it being launched. So that was the main issue. And also, this is not my main way of making money online. I only joined this platform just to make videos, review videos about this platform. I only do review videos about these platforms to know whether they are a scam or not. So with Helalink, for you to make money, you need to refer people, and you also need to make a payment of 550 Kenya shillings, the same way with Trendcash. After making the payment, you need to refer people, and you will earn in 3 levels. That is in level 1, level 2, and level 3. So if you refer someone and he or she pays the 550 Kenya shillings, you will be able to earn 300 shillings in your level 1. For level 2, you will earn 150 or 100 shillings. I'm not sure about that. And for level 3, you will earn 50 shillings on the referral. For you to make money from this platform, you need to refer people, and those people you refer must pay the 550 Kenya shillings. And this platform usually work worldwide. But what you need to know is that they also have a welcome bonus, but you only receive these welcome bonus after you have met a threshold of 15 referrals. So for me, I have only 3 referrals. So I won't get the 150 Kenya shillings as a welcome bonus. And that is what is going to happen again with Helalink. So for me, I'll not be joining Helalink because the same people who made Trendcash are the same people who are running this Helalink agency. And the reason is because my withdrawal really delayed. I had to follow up each and every day until I lost hope, only to find that I received my withdrawal today. So if you are to join Helalink, the best advice I'll give you is to join within the first month, and you must be good in referrals. So for me, I usually make videos and add my link in description. That's how I get my referral. I don't actively look for referrals. So for people who find this amazing. You can do referrals on Facebook, TikTok. So long as you find referrals, you'll be able to make money. So my final thoughts on this Helalink agency is that if you are not good with referrals, then don't join this platform because you will not earn good money with ads or trivia question. Because on this platform, you will only be able to watch ads once, and after that, you may not get recurring ads to watch in order to make money. But for trivia question, they usually post them on Mondays, and the main way to make money is through referrals. So for you to make money, be good with referrals and utilize this platform in the first and second month. From the third month to the fourth, they usually launch another platform because I think this website cannot handle huge traffic. So that's why they crash. So for you to make real money online, you can try legit platform like Digistore24, where you can make money through affiliate marketing. That's what I usually do. Or even start a Facebook page because currently Facebook pays you as a content creator, or even start a YouTube channel where you can monetize it through ads and affiliate marketing. So I hope you have gained some insight about this platform. And this is my honest review about this platform. So I will not be joining Helalink because I don't want to be following people to pay me my money. And I will not promote something that is not paying people. Hope you have gained some insights. So like this video, subscribe to this channel for more tips and tricks on how you can make money online. And this video is only for educational purpose. Don't take it as a financial advice. So my goal is to help you make the right decision when it comes to making money online. And I'm looking forward to seeing you in my next video.